Confused about how to set up shipping costs for your customers? In this video, I'll break down exactly how to create custom shipping rates in Shopify for your products. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Setting clear shipping rates manages customer expectations and protects your profit margins. Shopify offers flexible tools to configure this. First, go to Settings and then Shipping and Delivery in your admin. Here, you'll manage your shipping zones and the rates within them. Start by creating a shipping zone for the regions you ship to. Within a zone, you can add rate. You can create a custom flat rate, like $5.99 for standard shipping. Alternatively, you can set up calculated rates if you have a carrier account integrated, which automatically pulls in live prices from USPS, FedEx, etc. You can also create conditional rates, like offering free shipping for orders over a certain amount. This is a fantastic tool to increase your average order value. A crucial pro tip: be strategic with free shipping. Use it as a promotional goal, e.g., free shipping on orders over $50, to encourage customers to add more items to their cart, often covering the cost of the shipping itself. And just like that, you've built a shipping strategy that works for your business and your customers. Clear, fair shipping rates are a cornerstone of a trustworthy online store. Do you prefer offering flat rate or calculated shipping? Share your reasoning in the comments. To handle government charges, subscribe for our next video on how to edit taxes and duties in Shopify. Thanks for watching.